Hi, I'm Dr. Kelly Starrett with H-Wave. Often we have patients and clients talk about non-specific head pain, classic headache or classic neck ache at the end of a long day, lots of stress. Oftentimes we sort of fail to appreciate that there's some basic underlying physiology that we can tap into that can make us self-soothe and feel better. In this situation, oftentimes if we can restore blood flow, if we can improve blood flow to some of these tissues, which are what we call ischemic or sort of low oxygen because they're sort of in clamped down sort of postures and tensions that don't allow for lots of blood flow. By changing that blood flow dynamic, oftentimes we can really start to untangle and pull at some of these very common discomfort symptoms around the neck and the head. Now, it's easy to sort of think, well, where would I put the pads in this low frequency setting? But ultimately, it's very simple to place one pad on your left trap, one pad on your right trap. We don't even have to mess with the neck or worry about what's going on. These muscles end up doing a job of helping the shoulder rotate, helping the shoulder elevate, but they also hold my head up. And what you'll see is that when people have been sitting for long periods of time, they'll throw their arm up around their neck and they'll sort of rub their traps, and if someone comes in and rubs your neck, they're getting into that area. When we look at the insertion of the muscle on the back of the neck, it has a pretty big attachment here. So we're also not going to just be moving the traps, but moving all of the musculature where the neck is coming into the upper back, plus where some of that musculature is coming in and really getting close to the head. What we find is that I don't also need a very big contraction here, but getting the kinds of non-fatiguing muscle contraction would actually be difficult. I would have to engage in lots of sort of strange movements with my shoulder for many, many minutes to sort of get this kind of movement that I'm able to sort of access if I'm using the high frequency setting or the H-wave in this low frequency setting. So by putting on a couple pads on the shoulders, it's going to feel funny, you're going to jump around a little bit, but just dialing it up to be comfortable, what will end up happening is that very quickly we'll start to see a recovery cascade happen where we start to see the blood vessels begin to dilate just like they would in exercise. But instead of having to engage in exercise, we can be in comfortable positions, we can be relaxing, and we can have those pipelines of fluid, in this situation moving blood and oxygen and sort of re-nourishing those tissues. They can suddenly become a less ischemic, less oxygen deprived, and less irritable. This means that I suddenly have a really powerful on-demand pain relief system using movement, in this situation, low frequency. We're not even talking about the powerful high frequency I could use to give myself sort of the maximum pain relief. By getting some motion in, I can tell my body, hey, everything's okay here, and I can begin to open up those blood vessels. This allows me to continue to move and watch TV, sort of read the paper, kind of zone out on my phone with some doom scrolling. But what's nice is getting some contraction, just putting one pad right here in the meat of your traps on either side, a single lead, adding in some low frequency, getting comfortable, and what you'll find is very quickly blood flow is coming back and that neck ache and headache starts to diminish.